So I am here, actually in North Carolina. This is my first time out here. Laura, my wife, and we just flew out here. Wanted to show you guys around. What's up?
Hey, welcome to Ramble, North Carolina.
This is awesome. Yeah, so this is my first time being here, seeing the shop, and
So we're doing a grand opening. This is not how we do it every day.
it's quite the spread.
If you're wondering, this is a grand opening for my local club here in the Carolinas, the Carolina Airstream Club. We'll probably do like a bigger, proper grand opening at some point later. But here's the shop. It's a little bit different than Texas, but it works.
We're still getting going.
We are still getting things figured out, but we've got storage here for parts. These are future projects, all the parts that are associated with that. And then we just have one big door. Hey, look, it's Brad.
We made it.
But one big door that we can bring stuff in. But we've got 3 in here right now, and we can fit we could fit a few more in here had we not have a big party going on today. So, but yeah, it's Ramble, North Carolina. We're wrapping up the grand opening for Laura and I's local Airstream Club, the Carolina Airstream Club. So if you're thinking like, why didn't I get an invite? Well, if you're not part of the Carolina Airstream Club, you didn't get an invite.
And if you're part of the Carolina Airstream Club, you did get an invite.
You definitely got it. We posted it in the newsletter and on the Facebook page. So we did our best to communicate it. But I just want to say, one, it's great to have Brad and Jonathan and Laura here for the grand opening. His Laura. That's my Laura. That's his Laura. And it was just so cool, like, to have such a great group show up yesterday. And we're here in downtown Winston. We're trying to show them, they're from Texas, so we're showing them little Winston-Salem, but
showing them real barbershop.
One of our favorite spots to get breakfast here, Young Cardinals. But it was so cool. I'm just so thankful. I'm blown away by the community and the Airstream community, the Carolinas community, and just how they've welcomed us and showed up yesterday and supported us. It's just been crazy.
Cool. Yeah. Well, we had fun.
Yeah.
And yeah, I'm looking forward to getting back to the shop, but don't really want to leave you guys yet.
Yeah.
We'll probably be back soon. But anyway, yeah, we're still. I think both of us are like we're booked out to like April, May.
We're booked out, but that's like bigger things. I think smaller things. Don't call us. Like call us. We'll try to work you in.
Yeah.
Depending on what it is that you need.
You say don't call us?
Yeah, call us. No, I would say don't not call us.
Yeah.
Call us because we can still. I'm sure we can figure out a way to get you taken care of.
Yep. All right. Well, thank you guys. I got back late last night from North Carolina after spending time at our exclusive open house with Chad's local club, and honestly, I'm still kind of processing all of it. It was just incredible. Good conversations, great people, a lot of stories that just felt like more confirmation that there is a need for Ramble. And I just want to say thank you. It's super encouraging and super exciting. The support you have all shown Ramble, especially as we've been building things out here in Texas, it means more than you could possibly realize. We've met so many of you online through builds, through phone calls, but getting to shake hands, walk through the trailers together, hear how you're actually using them, that's the part that reminds us why we're doing this. It's not about upgrades, it's not even about the shop, it's about helping people actually use their Airstreams the way they imagined that they could when they bought them. I'm really grateful to be part of that. Our plan is to have more events in the future, including a full-blown open house of some sort, hopefully at both locations. Our favorite thing to do is really just provide that intentional time with the community, because that's honestly why we're doing this, and that's what matters to us. If I could spend all day, every day, just spending one-on-one time with each of you, I would in a heartbeat. I love that time, just getting to chat, talk about problems and things that you're trying to overcome. But now as far as Ramble, Texas goes, things are moving. We're not stacking work just to grow faster. We're not rushing trailers to the shop. Every Airstream that comes in here gets the time that it needs. And right now we've got 2 really exciting builds happening right behind me. Both are full 24-volt systems with Epoch batteries and Victron controls. One is actually my personal Airstream. I had hoped to get mine done months ago, but we've just been trying to take care of our customers first. But excited to get that one going. These are serious systems, not just add a battery and call it good type of installs. We're completely reworking how these trailers manage power, building them for greater efficiency, reliability, and real off-grid capability. I personally love the 24-volt systems because they just make sense when you're wanting to build something that's meant to last. They run more efficiently, they reduce strain on the system, they give you better performance across the board. And pairing Epoch batteries with Victron controls really gives owners like full visibility into what's happening, what's going on, from charging, usage, system health, all of it. But more than that, we're building these clean, organized wiring, thoughtful layout, serviceable down the road. And we really want to make sure that if somebody's gonna open a compartment 5 years from now, maybe that's us, maybe it's not, but it needs to make sense and needs to be serviceable and easy to kind of get an understanding of how things are laid out. And that's really the standard that we hold ourselves to. A lot of the people coming to us right now really just want peace of mind. They've had dealership experiences that felt rushed, or they've read enough, forum horror stories, or just to know what all can go wrong. So people just want their trailers and their systems to work, and that's why we're here, and that's what we're focused on. So do it right, communicate clearly, and stand behind it. That's it. So if you're thinking about a build this year, especially any electrical work, I'd encourage you to start the conversation sooner rather than later. We'll walk through it with you, figure out what actually makes sense for how you travel. And again, just thank you. Thank you for trusting us, for supporting us, for showing up at the event this past weekend, for watching these videos as they start to come out. This community is the best part of what we do. We're going to keep building carefully, keep growing intentionally, and keep treating every trailer like it's our own, because that's what we would want as Airstream owners. So before I signed off, I just wanted to show you guys kind of what's going on here in Texas at the shop. We've got, so this is my trailer over here. It's a 2023 30-foot Flying Cloud. So we are doing a power build on that one right now. Like I said, just trying to get to mine when we can. We haven't really had a lot of time to do it, like I mentioned, but yeah, I'm doing 800 watts of solar on the roof to a 24-volt power build on it. So two Epoch batteries. I'm doing a Quattro, Victron Quattro. So I kind of want to have it prepared or ready if I decide to go with a generator on that in the future. This is an amazing couple. Bill and his wife, they've been in one of Brad's videos, but they're here doing some upgrades. No power build on that one yet. And then on this trailer, this is another amazing couple. We're doing a 24-volt power build on this one as well, with a generator, using the Aircrafters generator rack, and doing, I guess, solar and all kinds of other stuff to this one. This is a pretty big build. So yeah, anyway, just wanted to show y'all what we've got going on. Greg and Kyle, our techs here in Texas, have been doing a fantastic job. Really appreciate both of those guys just helping me stay on top of things. And of course, thank you to Brad. He was here for a couple months. He's going to be back in about, or I guess, less than a month. We're going to be doing, I think, a few more things to his trailer. So I'm not going to give away any secrets or updates on that. I'll let him do that. But yeah, so just thank you guys. Appreciate everything. if you want to book an appointment, go to rambletrailerworks.com. You can book an appointment there. If you have any questions about anything, if you're just out on the road, having issues with anything, we're here to help and support you guys. So yeah, love you guys. Talk to you soon. Thanks.